Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Ethan Mitchell and welcome to part 3 of the Point of Interest series with the Autel Evo. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's do a quick recap. In part 1 we saw how we could use the POI to fly a point of interest using semi-autonomous control using 3 features. In part 2, we saw how we could use the DJI Spark and the Mavic 2 in much the same way. We're also going to cover the Mavic 2 in a later video, so if that's something you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button along with the bell and you'll be notified when this video is posted. So today we're going to cover the Autel Evo. The main idea of this series is to be able to fly a point of interest using manual control while the software keeps the camera locked on the subject. Now the Evo may not have all the bells and whistles of the Mavic 2 or the POI, nor does it have third-party app support like the DJI Spark and Mavic Pro, but it does have dynamic tracking. Now I know what you're thinking, the Evo has an orbit mode, and you'd be right, but the orbit mode on the Evo works much like the point of interest on the Mavic Pro, where it does not automatically gimbal the camera to stay locked on the subject. This means that if you change height or distance from your subject, the camera will not stay locked on your subject. Now the dynamic tracking on the Evo is intended to be used for a moving subject, but it works on a fixed subject as well. Now the Evo uses optical tracking to track the subject, so it's really important that you try to pick a point on the subject that has high contrast if at all possible. So let's put the Evo up and see how this works. Okay, let's open dynamic track and draw a box around the subject. Okay, now that we have locked on the subject, we are going to set the tracking mode. By default, this is set to follow, so let's change it to parallel and press start. Now we can fly around manually and the software automatically keep the camera locked on the subject by controlling aircraft yaw and camera gimbal pitch. Okay, let's walk through another example. Here we are back at the water tower. Let's fly up to the tower and open dynamic track. So draw a box around the tower, choose parallel in the tracking mode and press start. Okay, let's see what we get. So what did you think? Now I know this mode is not intended to be used like this, but it actually works really well. This also allows you, the pilot, to keep your eyes on the drone instead of buried into the video feed. Not only is this a much safer way to fly, it also allows you to have better situational awareness so you can really get those close and dynamic shots. One thing you will notice is that the Evo's controls when using this mode are really slowed down, which actually really help getting those smooth shots. So there it is guys, point of interest flying with the Autel Evo. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.